The extrude function is part of the modeling suite and can be found with the other 3D modeling tools in the carving list. This function must be applied to a closed figure. Once you select extrude, your profile editing window will open up. You can see that there is a red and a green path here, which correspond to the image on the board. You can set it to be vertical, which this is, so it's going to extrude up and down, or horizontal, which will flip it. Again, note the green and the red. Or you can set it to an angle. If you hit enter, you will see it shows on the board view the angle that is going to be going at. You can draw anything you wish on the board. You can select from the center of the region to the green, or from the center to the red, or from both boundaries. You can, of course, dimension anything you want here, and work your drawing tools the same as you would on the board view. So we hit OK. You'll see that it actually creates an extrusion based upon your inputs. This is the extrude tool.